So, in this April month lecture video series, we are going to discuss the topic direct and indirect speech, and this is one of my favorite topic also. And many people might wonder why she meant the grammar topic is so interested in the sense. Grammar topics are all interconnected. If you understand the tenses properly in the sense, it will be easy to understand the topic voices. Similar way, this tenses will serve as a backbone to understand direct and indirect speech also. So in a reporting speech, it can be divided into two parts. So what is called as a reporting speech in the sense, what has happened, so that's what conveying to somebody else, that is called as the reporting speech. So this reporting speech has two divisions. One is direct speech and another one is indirect speech. Whereas in a part of direct speech, we are using the actual words of the speaker. In a indirect speech, we are conveying the message by using our own words to convey the meaning of the person what actually said. So what are all the things to be noticed while transforming a direct speech sentence to indirect speech in the sense, so a direct speech sentence can be identified. Those words can be kept within the comma, within the quotes commas can be used. So if you are making it as an indirect speech, these commas and quotes can be removed from it. So these are all the few minute things you should be noticed. And that coming back to the part of applying the 5 stages of design thinking. So first one is in the sense literal word, that is the actual word of the speaker, and meaning conveyed and how it denotes. So what are all the problems in the sense, most of the time people fail to identify the tense form. Actually what they think, they just giving an answer in such a way. If suppose some present tense is there in the sense and they thought the answer will be in a form of some other tense form and all. So actually these are all the things are interconnected. So if you make mistake in the very beginning stage, and you can't expect to make a right answer actually. So here is the definitions to understand direct and indirect speech. So I have explained it already. And the things, quotation marks, which helps us to find out which speech it is, and the transformation or identification of tense changes and pronoun changes. These two are important points to be noted while transforming in a direct speech sentence into indirect speech. So what kind of a tense changes will occur in the sense, if your sentence is in a form of simple present tense, so it just go to simple past tense. If your question is in present continuous, it just go to past continuous. If it is in a form of present perfect and past perfect, so this will be the unique order to be followed. Ma'am, if everything comes under past tense in the sense, what I'm supposed to do? A simple past tense can be transformed to past perfect, past continuous can be transformed to past perfect continuous tense, and the future tense will can be changed into would, and shall can be changed into should. So this is what all about the direct and indirect speech. And pronoun changes relate with because we are talking about the first person and third person, right? So I can be changed into me, and you can be changed into he or she. If you always keep in your mind that I is referring the speaker, you is referring the receiver. So in your sentence, Raju said to Sita, I am busy right now. So in this particular sentence, I meaning Raju told Sita. Here I referring the speaker, he, am busy now. So am busy now can be changed into past tense. I was busy then. So this is how you can importance to change a sentence from direct speech to indirect speech. And while changing the direct speech to indirect speech, the following steps to be used. One is that remove quotation marks and change pronouns, and consider time and place also, and adjust tenses and use that. So in a direct and indirect speech, using the conjunction, it gets differed from one from statement, interrogative, imperative, and exclamatory type of sentences. So for each forms we have different choices of conjunctional words to connect as sentences. So on the whole, how to understand the direct and indirect speech in the sense: change of tenses, change of pronouns, place and time, quotation marks to be removed while writing answer in indirect speech, and do read the sentence, do identify the speech, and also do familiarize with the chart, change of tenses especially. So these are all the things. If you make a little effort to understand this in the sense, it will be very easy to write an answer, and even you come out with your own explanation for each stages. And don't get complicate things such as like a present tense in the sense what I'm supposed to do. So the major problems where people used to get fail in the sense, they don't have a complete perfect knowledge in grammar. Present tense in the sense, if is comes in the sense present, if any other words in the sense, they thought that is something different. So this thing to be avoided. So especially I would like to recollect it with the last four steps to remember the topic. Change of tenses, change of pronoun, change of places, change of time, and have a clear knowledge about tenses. These will help you to transform a direct speech sentence into indirect speech very easily. Thank you.